So, hello friends, welcome back to another video of the GS channel. Today, let us continue making our game progress. So, today, let us create the levels. So, as per the last video, the error we had is we can't move. That's the problem we have. So, the best way is to do is create the levels. So, here, basically, you have to learn the logic. Today, let us make the logic. Conditionals block we can open. So by opening the logic, you grab the if true then block and place it in the function that we created, that level num. After that, what should we do? Well, yes, you guessed it right. We should grab this level num and level this num, that red color bubble, and should place it here, but we can't place it there. Look, it's showing a error. So one more problem here is we have to grab this. Then it is called the conditionals. If z num is equal to 1, then what should we do? Scene. Let's go to scene. Then grab the set tile map. Then let's make it into 32. Into 32. Let's make it. It's 32 is too big. So let's make it 26, or maybe 16 is okay, I guess. 16, 16. Well, I think this is nice. So here, basically, we need to go to the dungeon, and let's go and grab the corner tile, put it here, then put this. Then this is not possible, so let's use this. Ah, then let's go. Let's continue development. So here we shall draw it, drawing it. Then after that, we shall draw this. After that, we shall put this block. Then draw it completely. So here, after that, let's first try out what is coming. Well, my game is loading. Friends, it is moving. Great job, friends. It is moving. I think it is moving. Great job. But we are able to overlap the wall. So here we'll go and edit it. My tiles. Let's go gallery. Then what? Where is that block tool? Draw walls. Let's draw walls. Let's draw completely so that the player can't escape out. Yeah, we completed the task of drawing walls. So now again let us go and test it out. Let's play it. Well, as per the today's video, today's task is to make level 1, 2 and 3 and making the game play. Let's go. Let me control my keyboard. Yeah, it's working, bro. It's working. Look, we are able to move around. So after that, let us add some blocks, perhaps. Mm, let's add this here. Done. Then our task, as per our task list, I think we have to go here. Yeah. place my sprite on top of random here on this. Then let's play it on top of random. It is coming, so it won't place us correctly. So let's edit what place it is. Let's mark the coordinates 1 comma 1. Okay, so let's go to the scene. Then what shall we do? Hmm, where it is? Where to place a sprite? Where is that column? Where? Ah, yes, 1 comma 1. So, friends, maybe we don't need where we should sit. So, perhaps we shall edit the tile map again and then let's go, let's navigate, uh, let's make the center block, let's draw a center. I think this should be a maze. After that, let us put something else new. Let me keep this square. Okay, done. So today let us do something advanced. So let's add the status bar. We don't need live settings, so we shall remove it. We don't need the live settings. We shall remove the live settings. So I think it should work. Yeah, it's working. It's not moving with the sprite. So here we have to attach the status bar to my sprite. Yes, it's working. Can you see it? Friends, if you want more status bar, then you have to edit the width and height. I think this is enough for my level. So let's draw some more center. Let's draw some more center and let's draw the wall tool. Then after that we shall add something new, some different center. Let's add this center. After that, let's go back. Then let's add four blocks here. Okay. Then let's add the wall block again. Then let's add something different. Okay. So done. Now it's time to add some enemies, I guess. Well, let's add some enemies. My sprite 2, kind enemy. So what should be the enemy? Let's add as ghost. Yes, this ghost is what I want. Hey, he's near us. If he's near us, how can we survive? So we have to place him somewhere else. Wait, wait, wait. Ah, set my sprite bounce on wall. Then my sprites set position here. We have to set the position. So this is his position. What? 13 comma 5. So x comma y. So 13 comma 5. So let's test it out. Then let's add the velocity. Program error. What happened? Why why program error is coming? Let's debug it. Perhaps something is wrong. We have to remove this and let's keep this. Let's try again. Now the program error shouldn't come. Ah, well, let's remove this too. Then let's try. Now let's try it out. Ah, yes, now it's working. So the two blocks were the error codes. I debugged it out. So place my sprite to tile map column top of tile 13 comma 5. Let's test it out. Well, he's in 13 comma 5. Yes, it worked out. Successful, friends. It's successful. Great, great job. Then let us add something different. His bones. Let's set the velocity. After that, we should set him to bounce on wall. Where is it? Bounce on wall. My sprite 2. My sprite 2. Let's test it out. Whether he's bouncing or not. Where the hell? Oh yeah, he's there. Yes, friends, it is working. Let's erase the Vy. The Vy is the vertical line and Vx is horizontal line. So let's keep it 0. Let's put it now. Should be bouncing there. Yes, I'm right. Look friends, he's bouncing here and there. So after that, if we overlap on some particular tile, then he should follow us. Isn't it? Yes, he should follow us. So let us edit the tile map again. Let's set the tile map as this place. It's a trap. Then done. Okay. Let's create one more sprite as one more ghost. Sprite 3. Now this time we shall add different ghost. Yeah, this ghost is nice. Rather looking nice. Enemy. Let's duplicate it. And we have to find whether this place where it is 1 comma 7. Okay, let's keep it as 1 comma 8. 1 comma 8. Then let us set the velocity little different to speed as 100. Nope, 100 is too fast. Perhaps 70. Okay. After that, let's keep him also on bounce and wall. Sprite 3. Bounce and wall. Now let's test it out. How it is working. Why? Why is he here? Let's check it out whether all the code are correct. 1 comma 8 is something wrong, I guess. Let's keep 2 comma 8. Ah, hell, bro. I made a mistake. I have to make it by 3, 2 comma 8. Now it should be working. Ah, yes, he's bouncing. He's bouncing on the wall. Yes, it's correct. Great job. It's bouncing here and there. After that, let's go to the sprite section. Yes. On sprite, player overlaps enemy status bar. Change value by -1. No, perhaps -2. Let's set the value of the status bar as 20. Let's try it out. Let's test it. Yes, 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 yes. Our life is decreasing, friends. Yes. Let's set it 100. Let's test it out. Yeah. Now let's test it. Yeah. It's decreasing. Great. It's working. Fine. Then let's add something different. When the status bar value becomes 0, where is it? Ah, yes. 0, then game over, lost. Let's test it out. I'm so excited. Oh, yeah. Yes, game over. It's working. Great job. Let the first level be as it is. Then I think we forgot to add something else. We have to add an escape door. Uh, Perhaps I should choose some tile. Perhaps this tile is better. Okay. Then what if player in scene section, if player ah overlaps, it's too clumsy. Let me change it a bit. Hmm. So what block was it, friends? Can you remember it? Yes. Then what should we do? After that, what is the code we should add? Okay. Okay, then let's test it out. After that, what should we do? What to do? Tell it, friends. Well, I think I should teach you what to do. Well, I give you 20 seconds time to think what has happened. Well, friends, when the sprite overlaps that particular thing, that is this square, let's set it as the advanced, that is the function. Let's zoom a bit again. Function call level num 2. 2, yes, it's 2. Let's try it out. Then again we have to duplicate all this stuff. duplicate. Let's test it out, friends. Maybe we should make some changes here. After that, let's erase these two blocks and just test it out. Let's erase this block too. After that, let's add this block here, the door block, dungeon. Well, it is here, here. Then let's go to the scene, place my sprite. Hmm, okay, on top of what? 1 comma 1. Okay, 1 comma 1. Let's test it out, friends. It's testing time. Let's go full screen. Ah, yes. The ghost is bouncing here and there. Let's run away. Yes, it's working. It's working, friends. It is working. Successfully, it is working. Ah, hey, it's working, guys. So, here it shall repeat because we haven't edited the code. So, thank you, friends. This is the end of the video, and in the next part, let us have more editing. So, thank you, friends. I hope you like the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment to have a nice day. Bye.